How to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, to get started, first of all, you need to go to your browser. You can use any browser. Personally, I'm going to use Google Chrome. Then go to the search and search for VS Code. Press on enter. Then it will land you here. So this is their official website, code.visualstudio.com. So you need to click on the first link. Then it will bring you here, so you'll be able to see the download button here. So just click on it. Then Visual Studio Code will automatically begin to download, as you can see at the top here. So this is the file. So let us just give it time for it to finish. It is only 110 MBs. So the download speed will depend on your internet speed. So I'm going to give it time for it to finish. As you can see, the download has already finished. So in order to run it, just double click on the file. And then I'm going to minimize Google Chrome. Then this pop-up will appear on your screen. So you are going to select I accept the agreement. Then click on next. So here you are going to leave this destination location as it is. Then click on next. Then click on next. Then here you are going to select, you are going to check this box, create a desktop icon. So check on that. And for the remaining part, you are going to leave them as they are. Then click on next. Then install. So setup is preparing to install. This is going to take a little bit of time, so just give it time, do not cancel it, and allow it to finish. So as you can see, it has already been installed, and we have the desktop icon here. So just click on finish. It will automatically launch if you leave this box checked. So I'm going to uncheck that, then finish. So you can access it through the desktop icon, or you can go to the search and search for Visual Studio. And you'll be able to see it here. And just click on open and you'll be able to use it. So that's really it, guys. That's how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.